Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and here I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to lose weight, to shed off those pounds without actually doing anything, without actually thinking, without actually needing the willpower. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. With just two AA batteries, you can slap these bad boys onto your junk, and it will electrocute your junk into jumping. Now, when your junk jumps, you actually spend calories on that. So the idea is you electrocute yourself into working, your body does the work on its own, and you just sit back and the fat just rolls off. Man, there was something about this on TV a long time ago. You could get a bigger version that would strap right across your gut, and it would just shock you, and you could see the actors' gut muscles just flexing. So they weren't technically doing anything, but their muscles were moving, and of course, the more you use your muscles, the more calories you burn off. But unfortunately, it really isn't a lot. This thing I got for about $5, shipped from China. Man, I love cheap Chinese electronics. And yeah, as you can see here, this woman, she likes it. She's super thin, and it's all thanks to this unit. That's right, you can put it on your back, you can put it on your gut, you can put it on your back, your legs, or you can put it on your giblies, and man, I gotta tell you, it's something. It really feels like sparrows are pecking away at you for the most part. Now, I got a Sony controller over here because Mad Catz was actually thinking about using this. What they were going to do is they were going to have these plugged into the bottom of a remote, and then what you would do is you would have these pickups down your arms on both sides, and then if you got shot, oh, you could feel it. It wouldn't be anything big. You could hardly even feel it. It just kind of feels like your muscles are tensing up a bit. But man, back in the day when people liked rumble packs, this was a good idea. At least Mad Catz thought it was. Unfortunately, it didn't actually make it. But man, can you imagine a company like Mad Catz? Okay, so if you don't know what Mad Catz is, generally if you had a player 2, your brother was player 1, they handed you a crappy remote control. And that crappy remote control, ladies and gentlemen, was Mad Catz. Mad Catz isn't exactly the company that you would think of if you wanted to think of hardware that controlled electricity that was going to jolt you. But once again, interestingly enough, all it takes is two AAA batteries, and with the capacitor that they have on the inside of here, it can store up enough power to actually give you a jolt. Man, my sadomasochist girlfriend would have loved this back in our teens, but unfortunately technology wasn't that far just yet. And that I bought this was because of the thumbnail. Man, look at that. Can you imagine using that on your giblies like that? Just like sparrows pecking at him. I tell you what, Bobby, that clickbait definitely drew me in, and can you blame me? I am male. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, this definitely is not an after-hours toy, unless after hours you like a bit of pain. It's me and the Colonel are going to try this out together. He's going to have a defibrillator set up, and I got this right around my gut. So, let's see if I can figure this thing out. So here you can see that it's trying to give me a massage, but unfortunately my unit's already freaking broken, because if I push this in, the hands disappear. It doesn't even sense it anymore. That's a little bit annoying, but I had been using it previously. It definitely did work. Maybe this is the reason that Mad Catz didn't go through with it, because you could break this headset just too damn easy. Maybe if I try new batteries. Nope, the new batteries did nothing, so I guess that's what you get for getting cheap Chinese, right? So here's a bad picture of the Mad Catz electroshock controller, just like these pickups. You put the pickups on your arms, on the inside, just like that, and if you got shot, it'd give you a little bit of a jump, a little bit of a jolt. It did not go over too well, apparently, for some reason. Yeah, you know kids would have torn that thing apart pretty quickly. And man, if it goes down as quickly as this thing did for me. Seriously, I was using this thing for about an afternoon. I put it away. Now that I got it back, the frickin' headset won't work. Or the headset 2.5 insert. It just won't work anymore unless I pull it out. That is oh, now I can't even get it to work at all. That's just how she goes. Well, let's tear the sucker down and see what's on the inside, shall we? So, some Phillips head screws. We take it out. Not a whole lot going on in here. Alright, and that's what we got on the inside. The chip under some goop. I'm guessing that was the capacitor that held the energy for the jolt. And of course we got the buttons under some tape. Real cheap buttons. That's just how she goes. Alright, well, not too bad, but not too good for the money I paid. I mean, it was only about $7, but still. I guess $7 shipped. What can you expect, right? Well, sorry, Colonel, we're not going to be able to shock your butt today, but that's just how she goes. Had some fun with this stuff about a month ago, and yeah, seriously, it just feels like sparrows pecking at you when you got this stuff on, but it actually can put you in a bit of physical pain if you put it on the wrong muscles and have it set up to different muscles. So that's it for me. And that from Nev's Tech Bits, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe. Have all kinds of fun. And catch you guys later. Have a good one.